Many students of mine work in PMOs and they recall having asked to join the PMO and wondering why is it there for in the first place. For a student and person new to project management and preparing for his or her exam, Project Management Office, generally abbreviated as PMO, is a department within an organization that provides, shares and maintains the standards and the procedures to manage the projects. A Project Management Office PMO is an organizational unit or group that is responsible for the governance of project management within an organization. The PMO is typically responsible for setting and enforcing standards for project management, providing support and guidance to project managers, and managing the overall portfolio of projects within the organization. The specific role and responsibilities of a PMO can vary depending on the size and structure of the organization. In some cases, the PMO may be responsible for overseeing all of the projects within an organization, while in other cases it may only be responsible for projects within a particular business unit or department. The PMO may also be responsible for managing resources and budgets for projects, tracking project progress and performance, and providing reports and analysis to senior management. In some cases, the PMO may also be responsible for training and development for project management within the organization. The functions of the PMO, Project Management Office, can vary depending on the size and structure of the organization. But some common functions of a PMO include setting standards for project planning, execution, monitoring, and reporting, providing support and guidance to project managers, managing the overall portfolio of projects, and managing resources and budgets for projects, and providing reports and analysis to senior management. Training and development is also included.